Hi guys. Yeah, this will be back up pretty soon. There's not much going on with it. But other matters, I've been having trouble with my remote here. Let me put it down on something. Let me see. Here's the truck. Alright. I can't seem to get my controller gun to work. So maybe you guys can give me a hand. My Wii. Get in there. Well, here it is. This button right here, I forgot what it was. The B button, when you push it, it lights up, right? But when you push this one, what is it? The A button up here, when you push it, nothing. So I wonder. You know what? I think I'm gonna put a piece of tape in that. So let me find some. Maybe a piece of redneck ducktape. Yeah, I like it. Yep, piece of duct tape. Okay, let's see. Just a little bit. Ooh, damn, that was close. Alright, pop it up. Come on up, let's go. Alright. The dip's right here in the middle. Let's see and wrap it around it. Okay, close it up. Ooh, wow. Remember the buttons. B and A. B. Now here's A. Hey, I got it. Uh-oh. Yeah, I got it. Come on, I know the batteries ain't dead. Oh well. Yeah, that Camaro will be back at a later time. I've just been doing a lot of work lately in Ontario at Lisa's house. Yeah. Yeah, sure is a beauty. Just haven't time to use it. Plenty of gas in it too. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye.